Yeah. All right. So, lesson 10, page 218, problem 28. So, this is an inelastic collision in disguise. So, this woman here runs, catches up, jumps on the sled with the kid. So it's as if the two objects stick together. Inelastic collision. So it's going to be the mass times the velocity of the woman plus the mass times the velocity of the kid in the sled equals the combined mass, the two of them joined together, times their new velocity. So the woman, 68 kilograms, and she's going positive 4.5 meters per second.
Is this a system of equations?
No, because there's only one unknown, the final velocity that you have when they're together.
Oh, okay.
And then the little sled is 71 kilograms times positive 2.7 meters per second.
The only thing we don't know is the velocity.
And the only thing we don't know is the velocity after the woman jumps on the sled. So what are we going to use for this mass over here? This mass after the...
Oh, you're multiplying that. That's just plus. That's just positive. Yeah. You're multiplying 71 and 2.7, right? Yeah. Okay. It's just not parentheses. I got it. Alright, cool.
So what am I going to use for the mass after the collision?
The 129.
Yeah, I have to add it together, right?
Yeah, 129.
8 kilograms plus 71 kilograms added together.
Yeah, that's
times some final velocity. And what do you end up getting?
129.